Our next awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, Dr. Ronel P. Ibanez, REB ENP, founder and chairman of Asia's Golden Icon Awards and Events, Inc. Dr. Ronel Ibanez is a highly accomplished individual with a diverse career. He holds a Doctor of Philosophy degree in urban planning from CCOL, London, United Kingdom.
These Lady Justice Statuette and Certificate of Appreciation are given to our awardee in deep appreciation for the invaluable support and contribution made to the success of the Public Attorney's Office and the advancement of the interests of its clientele.
Before anything else, I would like to thank God for this award, and of course, to Attorney Persida Acosta for recognizing our organization. Well, it's not every night that one gets to be in a room filled with exceptional individuals. Yet tonight, I am standing in front of our brave and great lawyers, of course, headed by Attorney Persida Acosta. Our organization, Asia's Golden Icon Awards and Events Incorporated, is into celebrating outstanding individuals who made a remarkable impact not just here in the Philippines but even outside. And the people behind this award-giving body is what we call the Executive Council, composed of the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, National President, Consul Yunina Mangyo. We also have the Employers Confederation of the Philippines, President Dr. Sirio Ortiz Luis Jr. We also have here OFW Party List, Congresswoman Marisa Del Mar Magsino. We also have here Madam Cristina Gonzalez Romualdez, and one of the board members of Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Mr. George Chua Cham, with our national advisor, TESDA Deputy Director General Vidal Villanueva III, and with our international ambassador, SVP Owen Sanchez. Now, me as the founder and chairman of this organization, we convened together to address our three advocacies. The first one, as mentioned, we wanted to recognize outstanding individuals who made a remarkable impact, not just here in the Philippines, but again, even outside of our country. Number two, we wanted to put value to our less privileged Filipino countrymen who were indeed in need of us. And that's the reason why, right after our awards night, we do have our CSR activities, like we provided medical equipment and supplies, such as last 2 months ago, we donated po around 211 oxygen tanks and wheelchairs at East Avenue Medical Hospital. 3 months ago, we also donated at Philippine General Hospitals because that's part of our advocacy. And the first and last advocacy is that we wanted to create a platform wherein global influential leaders will meet in one room for business expansion and for future project collaborations. So again, thank you so much, Attorney Persida, for this recognition. To God be all the glory.
Our awardee for Outstanding Civic Leader, once again, Dr. Ronel P. Ibanez.